What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another Cheap Troy Tutorials video. Today's video is going to be about Streamlabs OBS, and we're going to be, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a proper background for an image. So first, you have to click this plus button here. Then you click Image, and then add a new source, blah blah blah, browse. Go ahead and click my logo here. Sorry if you guys cannot see it. That's just, I can't help that. Alright, so then done. And then you kind of like shrink it down a bit. But still you gotta make it for where people can see it. Kind of center it up. So then this is where all the magic happens. You click the plus sign. Then you go to, where is it? Color source. Add a color to the background of your whole scene or just a part. So then you click add source, add source. Then you can edit the color here. So, I'll just make it like a blue. Boom, and then done. And you guys can see here. There we go. And then I'll just go to the bottom. There we go. So that means, guys, we have an actual background here. And if you guys can tell here, literally, it looks like it's just part of it. So you guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the videos. Share the video as well so we get some more subscribers and everything to help out with the channel. So yeah, peace out.